With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is, if the image formed by a mirror for all positions of the object placed in front of it is always diminished, erect, and virtual, state the type of the mirror and also draw a ray diagram to justify your answer. Write one use of such mirrors are put to and why. The second part is define the radius of curvature of spherical mirrors. Find the nature and focal length of a spherical mirror whose radius of curvature is 24 centimeter. So the solution for first part will be, first of all, we have to find out the type of mirror. So when the image of the object is diminished, erect, and virtual, then the mirror must be convex. Now we can also show this by a diagram, ray diagram, like this. This is polished side, this is principal axis, and this is object. Let's say one ray of light will come this as like this, and the other will be, this is F, and this is C, center of curvature and focus. So this ray of light will collide to the focus and then go like this, and the ray of light coming from here will be like this and pass through the center of curvature. So this is like this, and here is the image formed of the object. So this is the image. This is the ray diagram showing you that E dash B dash, let's say, showing you that the image is diminished, erect, and virtual. So this is a convex mirror. These mirrors are convex type of mirrors. Now the use for these is a convex mirror. A convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror by drivers of automobiles. So this is the use. So first part is complete. Now come to the second part. We are asked that what is radius of curvature. First of all, radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of the sphere of which the mirror is a part, of which the spherical mirror is a part. Spherical mirror is a part. What does it mean? This means that this is basically the radius of curvature of the, let's say this is a spherical mirror, and the radius of the sphere, the radius of this sphere that it will make, then the radius of that sphere will be the radius of curvature of the spherical mirror. Now we are given r is equals to plus 24 centimeter. That means radius of curvature is this. Then focal length is asked, that will be equals to r by 2, and this is 24 by 2 is equals to 12 centimeter. This is positive, so we can say that the mirror is convex. The mirror is convex. Hence the second part is completed.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.